27. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sendec, and today we are going to be replacing the tubing for the chassis on the go-kart. And I already took the measurements, I know what I need to get. I'm heading down to Lowe's to go pick up some tubing. See you when we get there. Alright, so first thing on the list is probably going to be to cut this off right here, and I'll flip it over and show you how bad it is. But just to give you an idea, that's a weld. Whoever did this, if the camera will focus, that's a weld. Whoever did this before had no idea what they were doing. Alright, now that I got it upside down, you can see there's a hole, almost enough to get my finger in. Here's another hole. This is definitely enough to get my finger in. I can feel the inside of that pipe. This one's rusted here too, but I'm not going to replace this one yet because it is not as important as this beam and this beam. And it looks like someone got holes in it when they were trying to weld too. It's cracked here also, so this definitely has to come out. Alright, so I got done grinding the welds down, and it looks like this. It still looks pretty bad. It's not the greatest, but this one's actually still got holes in it, obviously, but they got worse. Down here's not too bad, but yeah, this bar may have to end up getting replaced soon, but that should be good enough to throw our runners in between. Alright, so that's it for this episode of rebuilding the off-road go-kart, and next episode we're going to be hopefully welding up the tubes that go from here to here as support beams, and then maybe we'll do a cross just for some added support. But until next time, see ya.